President. My name is Ekpenyong from University of Reading. I'll start by painting a hypothetical situation where we have a 50-story building in central London that has got high-tech digital twin installed, high fidelity, best IFC schemas we could think about. But somewhere down in the basement, there's a facility manager with his manual thermal gun, measuring the temperature of his boiler and recording it on a checklist. The question will be, is the system broken? Far from it, the system is not broken. As engineers, we're excellent at what we do. However, we're blinded a bit by the people side of things and the process side of things. This gap is what my PhD is about. So my PhD is using the social construction of technology lens to view and understand practices and processes involved in the digital twin adoption for facility management. And in this, what we're trying to do is look at how people understand this tool and how they interpret it. And run up to this early stage, but we've done a little bit of analysis from 17 interviews, about 9 standards and policies, auto-ethnography of 2 systems, and then a full-fledged digital twin developed from the Matterport system. And 4 things stand out. First of all, industry users have moved away from the definition debates, which we worry about in academia, and have found a pragmatic way to make the digital twin work for them. They are trying to solve their pain point, and they are not bothered about whatever we call it. Also, I started by talking about the digital twin of a building. Nobody cares about the digital twin of a building. They start from a digital twin of a pain point, let's say the boiler, then the boiler room, and maybe the basement. It is a case of start small and bolt on. It's not a case of looking at the digital twin holistically. Everybody I had spoken to, every system I had gone into, nobody started with the sensors. Everybody started with governance in place. But this is not something we consider when we're talking about the digital twin. Also, more than 70% of the people I interviewed admitted to not being able to create the user groups from the onset. So how does this matter? Look at the digital twin we do. First of all, we're looking at it holistically. It is wrong. For the engineers, design a digital twin that solves a little pain point, and it's possible for us to add to it. Also, while we add to it, let us be able to add new users to it. And while at it, please design some governance into it. Think about feedback tools, access control, because they matter for all these things to work. The problem with the digital twin adoption is not necessarily the AI. It is the people part of it. People intelligence is not what we think it is. People have to be told what to do. And I'll end this by saying, let us stop debating. Call it whatever you want to call it. This is quoting one of my interviewees. Whether you call it a frog or not, I don't care. Just make it work. Thank you.